Because y'all did the same thing. Y'all didn't know my food from somebody else. Y'all was free to go into my refrigerator and eat. Yeah, all my kids know. All my kids, y'all was younger, all y'all did was what easy way it do. Stop acting like you know everything. All kids eat food in the refrigerator. Yeah, he should have asked. He didn't ask. He got the money to his place. How much was the piece? How much was, it don't matter. That's still my child. How much do it cost? How much do it cost? He'll give her money back. What you calling me? How much do we gotta give her? I don't think he has no money. I don't know. You can ask. I got we need to find out. What kind of pizza was he at? I probably know how much it cost. Those pizzas like $5 that's almost $5 or $6. That pizza was not no $8, nigga. I shop every day. Anyway, I could go to Snooks next door and get one. At Walmart, Lucia's cheap. Lucia's pizzas are not $8. I just bought one. Anyway, the Emo's pizza's $9 at Snooks. And Lucia's are about $6 at the most at Walmart. And they are down all the time. What kind was it? Because I go next door to Snooks and get one. What kind was it? Do you know? Boy, who asked her and texted to you? That's right, the kind you want. And that was the only way she got. Okay, well, I'll bring the socks and pepper on.
Great brands, great prices. That's why you grab Nordstrom Rack. In stores, on our app, and online.
Nothing I'm going through, it just takes so long with cash shopping. They send me a thing and say, I'm 45 because the church's lady told me, like I wasn't there until I was but she wasn't there. And I was like, oh, I got to look through it. And I was like, she gonna tell me on the thing she can do is give me tips sit on my next door. And church, they just file reports and say somebody gonna call me back for her. You said what? Do I want her? You say do I want her to do what? No, but I'm saying if you want Luke to replace your pizza, how do you expect to get it?
We're all here to support each other at the end of
I
the
ain't
day.
got no money on Cash App. That's what I just told him. Well, you don't have no choice but to wait. He don't have a card. He don't have no money. I have his money, but it's not on Cash App. That's why I say I go to